We're on our way to Colorado Springs. Not far, about 5-10 miles from here, is Edna and Bob, Marilyn's sister and brother-in-law in Colorado Springs. We've been in Colorado Springs. I've ministered here. Our first grandson was born here, and so we know the area quite well. But right down there, not far from, as the crow flies, it looks like 3 miles to the Air Force Academy. And not far from here to my right, about 10 miles, is the Cheyenne Mountain, and this behind me is called the Front Range here in Colorado. And the Cheyenne Mountain is just shy of 6,000 feet. It's the coolest place. It's got this tunnel that cars can go into, trucks can go into. It's a mile long into the Cheyenne Mountain. And then they took 1 million tons of dynamite and blew the inside out and made about a 5-acre space. And they brought top secret military stuff during the Cold War in the 1960s, and it was for defense. Now the doors are like 2 tons. They're huge and they're thick, and it's made in such a way that if there's a nuclear blast outside, the doors will swing shut with the pressure of the blast. So they thought everything out. They even thought to have the electronics in such a way so that if there's a neutron bomb that knocks out electronics, not in there, it's electronic safe. It's probably one of the most top secret impregnable sites in the world as far as I know. And nearby is Peterson Air Force Field. So between NORAD, this top secret installation, and Peterson Field, they have us covered. It's supposed to be national security. But you know what? Our only security is our heavenly security in the Lord. We can never trust in the arm of flesh. It will disappoint us. That doesn't mean we're irresponsible. I'm not propagating irresponsibility. Yes, we have our savings. Some of us have the right to conceal and carry and bear arms, and so we do those things. We prepare and plan for the future, for our retirement, but we can never trust in that. You can't trust that somehow your nation's got you covered indefinitely. Anything could happen at any time and catch you off guard suddenly, like it was in the days of Noah. Jesus said they were marrying and they were doing everything that you do in a time of peace and safety and security, and the flood, it says, washed them all away. Their security was short-lived. Never trust in the arm of flesh. It's short-lived. Only trust is in the Lord, not in anything that we've banked on, trusted in, hoped for, leaned on. Our leaning is on the everlasting arms of God, and in Him do we trust. We can't trust in military defense. Right back here on this airstrip, I was here yesterday, parachuters were falling out of the sky from the Air Force Base, practicing parachuting. Then they had gliders swooping in, and aircraft, small aircraft, to train these young pilots how to take off, how to land. Over and over they were doing that. Well and good. We must be wise as serpents, harmless as a dove, and prepare ourselves. But it stops short when that becomes our only sense of security and defense. It's not security when you're resting in the arm of a government to protect its citizens. God is our security. I leave you with this word to pause and ponder.